Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making a Bills cake. I know they lost, but my cousin really likes the Bills, so we're going to make him a Bills birthday cake. Just to make it easy on myself, I've got a cake mix. So, yeah, because I'm very busy, so this weekend and stuff, so I decided just to use a cake mix, but we're going to dye it. It's going to look really cool. So now we're going to pour it in. Okay. Now we gotta, oh, I forgot to preheat the oven. Okay. Now you gotta add the vegetable oil, water, and eggs. Okay, so crack one egg. Oh, that cake mix actually smells really good. One egg. Two egg. That one cracked perfectly. And 3 egg. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it with my whisk. There we go, all mixed. So now we're gonna split it in the middle. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna pour half of it in here. Take this. There we go. I think that's about half. Let's take a little bit more. Okay. So now we're gonna start with this one. Don't know why I knew that. And we're gonna take my royal blue food coloring. Well, it's not food coloring, it's food gel. I'm gonna use a glove because I don't wanna get it all over my hands. Even though I always do no matter what. Now we're gonna take a knife. And we are gonna put it in this one. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it in. And I gotta find a good blue color. I think I need a little bit more. Get all the frosting off of it so I can put it back in. Okay, we're gonna do one more, a little bit more in it. Oh, I think that looks really good. Put this in here, and let's see. This is how it looks, guys. Let me show you. There we go. I think it looks really good. Now that we've got the blue done, we're gonna get the red done. Okay, so now we've got the red started. I'll show you guys when I find a good color. Need a lot of red in there. Right now it's really pink. And you don't want it to look pink, you want it to look red. A little bit more. Okay, so I think I found a really nice color. See, it's a very nice red. And now we're gonna put them into the pans. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting the red into this one. Gonna get a spatula out so I can get as much as I can out of this. There we go, there, okay. There we go, and now we're gonna ready. Now let's get the other one out and put the blue in it. Reminder, the blue looks like this. I think these look really good. Okay, just scrape this, smooth, put it out. It's very thin, but it's gonna rise. When I stack the cakes are not tall enough, then maybe I'll just make another batch. and stack more. Because I bought an extra cake mix by accident, because I thought each would take one. So, okay, so now we're over by the oven, and let's put them in. So excited to see this come out. Okay, now I'll see you when they're done. Okay, so now that they're done, I gotta get my glove and take them out. They look so good. Then we gotta let them cool. And then I can stack them. And then I can frost it. So, see you guys in a little bit.